Alright, so putting some vertical blinds up off the ground. Got a long set, 78 by 81. What I do is open the box and then just slide these over so it'll fit in. And when I need to drop it down, just push it over, drop it down. As long as there's not an earthquake, should be okay. But it's up there nice and strong, and when I need to slide it down, then I just slide the box back into the other box, into the sleeve, pull it on down. Or if I just have the one set up here, then I can move it over. But it actually holds really strong. Got it just right. Right, so then I had one that I needed one of the set, but what I need to do is keep the old box and slid over the one set. And now it's just one in there, but it works just right. And when I need to use it, then I can get rid of the box. And sometimes I've got some other head rails, so I'll be storing those up there anyway. But this is just kind of an easy vertical blind storage solution with no screws, no bungee cords, no nails, just some ingenuity. And the key here is to make sure that they're labeled really well, make it easier on you in the future. Might be time for a new Sharpie. Sharpie's getting a little worn out there. That way you know what you got going on. Make it nice and easy. These are 78 by 81, so I'll add another label here. It's on the orange sticker if you're ordering stuff from HD Supply. So yeah. Different size here. This one's for some dining room windows, but the nice thing is you can put them in different bays so you can organize for different sizes. Nice and organized. Getting it all in there. I added these Frost King weather stripping. Just slip over the peel from in the box. Everything's nice and secure. I wonder if it's going to improve the insulation quality from the roof. This has this thermal foil coating on the roof as it is, but cardboard is an insulator, and when it's 120 degrees, organized and out of the way, up and out of the way, all kind of sealed in, looking good. Even the tiniest bit will help. Frosty. Okay, I was able to do the same thing with all these weather stripping deals. I'm all up, everything up and off the ground. Done deal.